The wait is finally over. If you've been dreaming about owning the world's first tri-foldable smartphone, the Huawei Mate XT Ultimate Design now is your chance. And the best part, you no longer have to deal with Chinese ROM or international delivery hassles because the Mate XT is officially going global. Huawei first introduced the Mate XT in China back in September 2024 and immediately made waves in the foldable phone market. With a massive 10-inch display and an eye-watering $3,000 price tag, it demanded attention. But things took an even crazier turn when demand skyrocketed. Resellers started asking as much as $21,190 for the tri-foldable due to shortages. That's right, over $21,000. Now, at its grand global unveiling in Kuala Lumpur, Huawei has announced the official global pricing. The Mate XT will be available for €3,499, which directly converts to about $3,660. While that's still a hefty sum, this phone offers a lot in return. Let's talk about what makes the Mate XT Ultimate so unique. The display system is an engineering marvel, giving you 3 different screen modes. In single screen mode, you get a 6.4-inch display with a resolution of 2232 x 1008 pixels. In dual screen mode, it expands to 7.9 inches with a resolution of 2232 x 2048 pixels. And in its full tri-folded glory, the Mate XT offers a massive 10.2-inch display with a resolution of 2232 x 3184 pixels. That makes it the largest foldable display on the market at 10.2 inches. Not only that, but it's also the thinnest foldable device when fully opened, measuring just 3.6 millimeters, excluding the camera bump, of course. The phone also boasts an impressive 92% screen-to-body ratio and a 16:11 aspect ratio. If you're used to a traditional 16:9 screen, this new format offers a more immersive experience, whether you're reading, watching videos, or multitasking. If you've ever used a 16:10 PC monitor, you know how much better it feels compared to standard 16:9 displays. Now imagine an even better 16:11 aspect ratio on a foldable smartphone. But Huawei didn't stop at just making a bigger screen. They completely re-engineered the hinge system. The Mate XT introduces an advanced mechanism with an embedded slide rail for the inner hinge and a one-piece linkage structure for the outer hinge. This allows the device to fold smoothly, both inward and outward. Plus, Huawei's multi-drive precision tuning technology optimizes the force required to open and close the device, making it feel effortless. Of course, durability is a major factor in any foldable device, and Huawei has taken that seriously. While they may not be perfect, it's undeniably a step forward in mobile innovation. This isn't just a smartphone, it's the hybrid device that seamlessly transitions between a phone and a tablet. With cutting-edge design, top-tier materials, and groundbreaking features, it shows that Huawei is still leading the charge in foldable phone technology. So what do you think? Is the Huawei Mate XT Ultimate worth the price? Would you consider getting a tri-foldable phone? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest smartphones and tech innovations. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next video. Galaxy S25 series today in San Jose, California, marking the debut of 3 exciting models: the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. Just hours before the grand unveiling, retail boxed images surfaced, showcasing the lineup in their sleek packaging. The leak confirms that the boxes are thin, with no in-box charger included, continuing Samsung's trend of reducing packaging waste. Among the colors revealed, the Galaxy S25 comes in a refined gray, the S25 Plus dazzles in dark blue, and the S25 Ultra stuns in its titanium ice blue finish. Samsung's bold design choices are evident in the Ultra model, which retains its signature S Pen slot while sporting rounded edges for a more comfortable grip. Under the hood, all models are powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, a custom for Galaxy version that is overclocked for enhanced performance. The base Galaxy S25 model offers 128 gigabytes of storage, a somewhat disappointing figure, but Samsung compensates with a boost in RAM to 12 gigabytes across all base models. For storage options, the lineup includes 256 gigabytes as standard, with 512 gigabytes available for users requiring more space. Hands-on images have added last-minute excitement, offering an early look at the Galaxy S25 series. The leaks reveal a redesigned, slender retail box that emphasizes the phone's frames and cameras. The Ultra's design features premium-looking camera rings, flat sides, and a streamlined back panel, further enhancing comfort and aesthetics. Color options across the series include mint and silver shadow for the Galaxy S25, navy blue for the S25 Plus, and titanium gray for the S25 Ultra. Exclusive online-only colors such as blue, black, coral red, and pink gold provide even more variety for buyers. In terms of pricing, Samsung is keeping the base prices steady compared to the Galaxy S24 series in South Korea. This decision, despite rising production costs and a higher USD to Korean won exchange rate, is seen as a win for consumers worldwide. However, higher storage variants see a slight increase. Here's the pricing breakdown for the base 256 GB models. Galaxy S25, 1,155,000 Korean won, $796. Galaxy S25 Plus, 1,353,000 Korean won, $933. Galaxy S25 Ultra, 1,694,000 Korean won, $1,171. Higher storage variants will cost Galaxy S25 512 gigabytes, 1,313,500 Korean won, $962. Galaxy S25 Plus 512 gigabytes, 1,511,400 Korean won, $1,429. Galaxy S25 Ultra 512 gigabytes, 1,858,600 Korean won, $1,281. These prices are competitive given the global use of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which is 20% more expensive than its predecessor. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S25 series is Galaxy AI, included free of charge through 2025. This advanced AI capability enhances user experience by offering features such as night video with audio eraser. This innovative tool allows users to capture stunning videos in low light while reducing both video grain and background audio noise. Samsung has also upgraded the selfie cameras for lifelike skin tones and textures, ensuring top-notch photo quality. The Galaxy S25 lineup also introduces varying battery capacities to suit different needs. Galaxy S25 4,000 mAh, Galaxy S25 Plus 4,900 mAh, Galaxy S25 Ultra 5,000 mAh. As expected, the S Pen remains exclusive to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, bundled within the box. For display enthusiasts, the series offers impressive screen sizes. 6.2 inches for the S25, 6.7 inches for the S25 Plus, and a massive 6.9 inches for the S25 Ultra. The Ultra also leads the pack with a 200-megapixel main camera, and all the other models feature 50-megapixel primary sensors. Samsung's ecosystem features are also highlighted in the Galaxy S25 series. Smart Switch makes it seamless to transfer data from your old device, while Samsung Digital Wallet provides a secure hub for credit cards, boarding passes, and more. For Galaxy users, daily news briefings will deliver morning and evening updates on weather, top stories, and other essentials. What's your take on the Galaxy S25 series pricing and features? Are you excited about the design, performance, or AI capabilities? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to reserve your Galaxy S25 through the link in the description to take advantage of exclusive offers. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more updates on the latest gadgets, and turn on notifications so you never miss a future upload. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey Samsung fans, the moment we've all been waiting for is almost here. The Galaxy S25 series is set to be unveiled at the highly anticipated Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22nd. But here's the deal.